putting Drylock on the foundation of the garage. And I'm getting ready to go in here and use this zebra brush, which is it's a real fine bristle brush for like doing cabinets and stuff. Look at that. It's made by a company called Zebra. And when you paint with that, it doesn't leave no brush strokes or nothing. So I was hoping that I had enough of that gray paint right there to do the foundation of the garage, but we only had about less than a quarter of a can. A couple of inches in the bottom of the can is not enough to do the foundation. So we just decided to use what we had and go with what we got. And I had some Drylock left over because I had to get a big can just to do that little bit of waterproofing against the foundation in that planter there. Well, I'll say yesterday I drilled some fucking drain holes for that. But I'm going to give you a little idea of what the fucking foundation looks like. We're going from this to that. So, and it's been sprayed with bleach and it's been cleaned or whatever, and why it looks like that, I don't know, but it's not mold like you might think. What's he doing, painting over mold, and that shit ain't gonna stick and all that. So he's doing that, and I am in here using some satin exterior enamel Clarkson Kington paint and primer in one, and this brush to go in here and touch up all this shit that these motherfuckers left in here from when they was refinishing the floors. And they hit it with the floor sander, and they got stain on it and everything. So I got to touch up all the baseboards in here, all this shit around the whole inside. And then later on, when it's like 90 some fucking degrees, then we'll come in here and start putting that shoe molding down. So that's where I'm at right now at the beginning of this day, getting ready to do that on that. We are now at the end of day 68 of the house renovation, where we have installed all of this fucking oak shoe molding around the floors. That's right. Place starting to look like a brand new house. We're gonna put the thresholds in tomorrow. 3 thresholds, one for right there, one over the other entrance into the kitchen, and one in the bathroom. And this room is completely finished. All the shoe molding's down in here. The closet doors are back on. And shoe molding down inside the closet. All the closets, that one over there has shoe molding. This one has shoe molding. This one right here is finished. This room's done. Shoe molding. I'm gonna have to secure that light down there, but other than that, this room is finished. The bathroom is done. I'll make a video before I leave tomorrow of the final finished product. It'll be finished product minus a couple of windows I gotta put in. I ran out of shoe molding in this room, so I gotta get some for right inside the closet and a piece for over there. So pretty much all that's done, and we'll put a couple of outlet covers on so they're done, and painted the foundation in the garage, that's done. Went on and painted it white with some Drylock that we had. I got this door open today, so a little tour of that utility room. The floor is painted. The wall is up. The sheetrock wall. So, and this porch is painted, and the garage foundation is done. It's all white now. You can see it. That's white. That's right. painted around that broken window right there. So I'm gonna get some glass for that. Tomorrow I'm coming in here. We're gonna wash the roof on the garage and wash the roof on the house. Look at that big nasty motherfucker. Look at that bitch. You see a little bit of everything. That's all. Foundation's all painted all around here. And you know, if you've been watching the videos here, you know that the dude or his kids that was staying here before that messed this place up, shot the siding all up with BBs and shot the windows out with BB gun. You know, you see shit like that. And holes in the siding and stuff. So we replaced some of the siding on the front with some that we found up in the top of the garage attic. There's places right there. I was standing over here by this pine tree today, and I looked and I seen a BB stuck in the bark. Right there. So they shot up everything. I'm gonna fix the holes up there. There's a couple of more holes up there if you can see them. That piece of siding, we might replace it. Tomorrow's Friday, so I'm not trying to work too hard tomorrow, you know. So that is where we're at today. I'm gonna fill that thing back up full of the dirt that's in that wheelbarrow right there, and we're gonna hit the trail. Today is Thursday. So if you haven't been watching the videos for this house renovation, there's 67 other videos that came before this one. You can go all the way back to where we first came in here and it was full of trash and all vandalized. Watch some of those videos. You can just kind of skim through them and get an idea, because we've documented everything we've done in here. Used to be a rock wall up there, a wood stove. Used to be a wall right there. But you can go back and watch some of those videos if you want to. And also I've got about 400 other videos that I've made of cooking, reviews on stuff, rust restorations, restoring stuff, cars, bugs, all kinds of some weird shit, dumping stuff in acid, shooting things with guns. And so I'm sure there's something in there for everybody that might want to watch it. So if you like the channel, or if you just like the video, subscribe to GetGo TV and hit the like button if you like it. And if you got any questions, leave a question in the comment section and I'll answer your questions. I always respond to all the comments, and even the bad ones or good ones, it doesn't matter. I just respond to them all. And you can ask me a question also at peninsulaimp@gmail.com. So it's a little bit past the time that I usually leave, and the day has wound it down, and we will have the inside of the house done tomorrow, and then it'll be ready for the final cleaning. Once everything's all cleaned up and everything, we'll lock the doors and hand over the key and move on to the next project. So y'all have a good day, and I will see you tomorrow on day 69 of the house renovation.